2022. What a year. I picked up film at the end of this past summer, in some ways because I felt like the future is hurtling towards me at breakneck speeds. I wanted to have a physical medium to keep of savoring the past. And I'm not gonna lie, it's been a good distraction this year from some low places. Since beginning to look through a viewfinder, I think I've begun to see some more of the beauty in things, the artistic value in everyday life. To sort of commemorate this experience, I decided to repaint my camera, to customize it, to make it truly my own. Well, this is scary.
I'm scared. Why are you doing it right there?
What do you mean?
Can you take it? No, I mean like, where are you spraying first?
I'm just everywhere that's not
everywhere.
covered.
Okay. Is that supposed to happen?
Yeah.
Jeez Louise.
That's good. One of the first things I realized was that the spray paint was more runny than I had anticipated. It had gone past the tape in some places, and had gotten into every nook and cranny. Pressing the buttons were sticky, and after pressing each should check, none of them would push back out. There was now only one possible course of action: take apart the camera and clean everything. I had nothing to lose. The camera wasn't going to be functional anyways, so I had to take the risk. In retrospect, I should have followed the iFixit guide. They have disassembly instructions for this specific camera. I mention this because somewhere along the way I ripped out a ribbon cable, got an electric shock from a capacitor, and definitely messed up something in the process. I definitely could have looked up what to unscrew, what to pry, instead of getting my fingers into places where they shouldn't have gone. After taking apart everything, I dumped the offending pieces into a cup of rubbing alcohol. After finding out that acetone didn't really do anything to get rid of the paint, cleaned them off, and put the whole thing back together again. The end result was something that I'm actually not too unhappy about. While the paint job isn't perfect, it gives off a sort of used retro look. And as far as I'm concerned, the damage that I did shouldn't affect its use. It'll be different, but it'll still be the same camera at heart. I don't really have any predictions for 2023, but I think everything will go alright in the end. Like my camera, I'll probably be a little bit different by the end of next year, internally and externally. But like my camera, I'll at the very least make it my own.